the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared. To my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just step it up. Don't be scared.
Meron din siyang switch for microphone, volume control, and of course yung wired na built-in na hindi detachable. Of course, ito yung ating port for microphone. Yan yung kanyang headband na may foam sa taas. And then maganda rin yung foam niya, high quality, and nagustuhan ko may design pa sa loob. Alright, yun o, ganda. Ayan, so kapit natin yung ating microphone. Alright. Itong headset na to is ginagamit ko for gaming and for working also. And okay siya. Wala akong issue na encounter from the time So ito nga pala yung kasama niya speaker plug saka yung microphone plug, which is yung kinoconnect sa computer. Okay. Ayan, para siya mag-work. Alright, that's it. I hope you learned something new on this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.